Good morning, people. Let's have breakfast. Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Good morning! Yes guys, ayan po, kumakain na po kami ng breakfast and it's part of our hotel accommodation to have breakfast here. So, 2 days, 3 nights, 3 days and 2 nights kami nagstay. Pero syempre gabi na kami dumating dito, so wala nang breakfast on the first day. So, only on the second, this is the second day, and on our third day. So, ayan guys, very Asian and American yung breakfast. It's okay. It's not wow factor. Kaya pala, medyo mababa yung review ng breakfast. Pero, syempre, kung ikaw ay you want to start a day, it will make your stomach full. So, they have they have fruits, they have sweets, they have cereals, they have Asian like rice. Ito, we're eating braised oink rice. O, diba? Yan. So, ayan, kinakain namin ni Mia, and pancit canton, syempre. They have pancakes also. And one thing, ayan pala, meron din silang mga bread, nakikita nyo sa kinakain namin. So, kain muna tayo, then I will show you guys kung ano yung kanilang nasa buffet. And yes guys, ayan, dish out. Ilalagay nyo lang dyan yung mga dishes na ginamit nyo para to clear the table. Yun lang yung pakiusap nila. So, eto, nandito yung mga juices. Ayan. Of course, they have also coffee and tea. Na dispenser yan, machine.
A few moments later.
So, ayun guys, after breakfast, pumunta kami sa nearby Hello Kitty, which is the team 7-Eleven. So, as we said, we will buy Easy Card kasi pupunta kami today sa Chiang Kai-shek and sa Taipei 101. But we're gonna ride the metro lang. And medyo maulan kasi. Tapos sabi ko sa gabi kasi mas magandang makita yung Jufin sa gabi. So gabi. Ayan ang napili ni Mia. Care Bears daw kaming dalawa. So terno kaming dalawa. We bought our Easy Card din sa Hello Kitty. Ayan guys, ang morning view ng aming neighborhood. Ayan, 7-Eleven. Hello Kitty, stay cute. Well, may na-meet nga rin kami mga Pinay dyan. O, ayan, no, bumibili rin sila ng Easy Card. Pero may dala silang maleta. So, for sure, mamimili sila. So, anyways, ayan, sabi ni Mia, nandun daw, follow kami. Anyways, we're gonna head now sa Ximin station. We're gonna go down. Tingnan naman natin. O, kita nyo guys. Ang cute, diba? Well, meron kami rin na-meet na Malaysian sa lift. Medyo mabilis lang siya. Sabi niya, are we on tour then? Sabi namin, yes, we are on tour. And then, we asked her, are you a solo traveler? She said, yes, freedom. Gano'n. Yes, maraming naghe-hello sa amin, which is nakakatuwa naman. We say hello then.
So we have to go green line. Ayun. Merong marker. We will see the marker. Here, oh. Pag mali, then we have to go up. Bababa tayo ng Songshan. Saan tayo? Mali. Kasi graded yun. So, papunta siya dito. Tama? Oo, papunta siya doon. Pag graded, ibig sabihin, wala. So, we need to go to...
Few inches later.
Saan? Ayan, oh. Very organized. Ikaw, oh. Dito, very organized din, oh. Oh, nakapila silang lahat. Right, Mia? Yeah. Bawal ang singit. So, pag nagkamali kayo, yung color, yung graded one, ibig sabihin hindi sila pupunta doon. Eto, pupunta sila doon. So, nandito na kami ni Mia sa Taipei Main Station. So, bababa kami sa Chiang Kai-shek muna. Chiang Kai-shek muna. Tapos, diretso sa Taipei 101. Tapos, the same way din, tayo babalik. Okay? Chiang Kai-shek.
A few moments later. Eventually.
So we're going there off, and then mommy doesn't want. So she's gonna find another exit, but I forced her to. Let's go. Ayaw mo yan, bro. I've been trying. Mommy, konti lang yan, no?
Anong konti? Nakita mo ba yan?
Konti lang.
Hindi na tayo makakarating talaga ng Jufen. Mas mataas na dito ang Jufen.
This is how many steps you go. Many steps, extra steps. Diba, I video you para.
Don't video me, malaki ka.
There's the
Exit 4 is there. Dapat nag-exit 3 tayo. Diyos Mia. Tapos may elevator din.
Ay, lang pa lang.
Chiang Kai-shek. Look at me. And guys, so this is where we're going. Yan guys. Yan. Ito po, oh. Let's go. Let's go, Mia. Mahaba ito eh. Malaki siya, guys. Ito, oh. So, tingnan mo, where are we?
We are
We need to go to the memorial hall. Ito yung
A few moments later.
And guess what guys? It started to rain. O ayan, medyo malakas ang patak ng ulan yan. Buti nilang may payong ako, Girl Scout. So, pero medyo nawala naman nung pagdating namin dyan. So, ayan, sariling sikap. Until, nakita kami ni ate. Sabi niya, would you like me to take photo? Pinay din yun. So, kaya yan, nakapagpa-photo kami. And same thing, pinicturean din namin siya. Napakataas niyan, sabi ko kay Mia, you can go there by yourself, anak, because I'm very slow. Sabi niya, I'm scared. Sabi ko, no, you can do it pa, kasi nandito na tayo. Then, eventually, I followed. Kaya na-shock siya, oh, you follow me. Ganyan. So, ayan ang makikita mo dyan. Actually, may mga pasukan pa dyan. Marami pang makikita sa loob niyan.
Oo. Ay, wala na. Ito na siya.
May doors sa gilid-gilid to.
Medyo dumidilim na guys. Kaya sabi ko, baka lumakas yung ulan. Kaya sabi ko, we'll take photo, then we will go down. Tingnan mo naman, ang ganda pa rin ng place.
Proud of mommy?
I'm proud.
Okay. Ito ang makikita nyo guys dito sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. And you see these stairs? Nakayanan ko yan guys. O ayan.
Chiang Kai-shek Memorial is a landmark in Taipei, Taiwan, built in memory of former President Chiang Kai-shek. Opened in 1980, it symbolizes Taiwan's political history and the transition from authoritarian rule to democracy. Off to our next venue.
A few moments later. Eventually.
Okay, we are car 2. Ayan guys, oh. Hindi graded, so it means papunta dyan yung train. So, dito tayo sa number 3.
Later. Few inches later.
Ayan, dito kami sa City Hall. Doon yung Taipei 101, pero we will go first dito sa City Hall. Ngayon talaga. Ayan guys, oh. Ngayon siya nag-decide mag-download, okay?
It looks cool eh.
It looks cool. Sige na kasi hindi gumana yung magnet niya. Her idea did not work guys. So she will try. Okay.
A few moments later.
Guys, akala namin ito yung way papunta dun sa yung epic elevator na makikita mo yung Taipei 101. So, tingnan natin
Dito yun eh. Ay hindi, sinaraduan na nila. Oh no, it's not this one. Sa gilid mo.
I'm sorry, epic fail. Next time, we know the right exit. Kasi no time na kami. We have to go to our next appointment. Hindi appointment. Next agenda. Well, yes, we are here in Taipei 101. Another destination that we wanted to go to. And then, after Mia saw Taipei 101, we have to look for the Pokemon Center. So, we're using Google Map here, guys. See? Like that. Okay. So, my navigator said we have to go on the other side. Ayan, nadaanan din namin yung love sign. Nandiyan pa rin siya. Hindi siya inaalis dyan. O, diba? So, ayan. Looking nice. Standing tall. So, we have to roam around Greece until we saw this area.
And guys, this is my Google Map, guys. Google Map, guys. 10 minutes lost. Let's go, Mia. We can do it. Sabi niya, isang direction lang. But it looks nice. I think we have to. It looks, Mia, circuit. Nice. It's nice here. Pokemon Center, Taipei. Guys, we are here, Pokemon Center, Taipei. Kasi may bibilin si Jaja. Ask mo na, sabi mo we are here, ate. Sabi mo kahit pagod na yan si Mia. Oh, magtayo kayo kay Mia. She looked for the Pokemon Center. Pagod na kami maglakad, guys.
A few moments later.
Mia's tired, but when we go down, look for the toilet, we found her favorite. And also, we found this Ichiran ramen. So, we said we're gonna have lunch over here, but we waited, I think, 30 minutes or more. just to get a seat inside. But
And guys, waiting kami dito sa Ichira. Oh, ang daming naghihintay. Saan na ba si Kuya?
20 minutes later. A few moments later. Few inches later. Eventually.
Pero you will have to order. Ayan. Ayan. Dash it. Yan. So, lalagay mo recommended. Ayan. So, ayan. Hindi na kami nag-side guys. Wala rin kaming refill. Sa akin, medium dash. Kay Mia is light. Kasi baka pag nagkapalit kami, di okay lang. Okay, Mia? Pareho naman tayong mild eh. So, ayan ang order form guys ha. Lang naman ang pag-wait namin. Ay yung mga kwarto. So kami kakain ni Mia. Ayan, tawag na. Mia. Ano, kaya? Yan, dali mo. Ano yung Mia? Anto ka na? Ay, gusto mo nang umuwi? Gusto niya matulog. Hindi na niya kaya. Ayan.
Bumalik ka na lang online.
Ano? Ano sabi?
ayan guys, we rang the buzzer para ibigay yung aming order form. They're preparing cups for water for us while we wait. Well, kaya yan separate cubicle guys. Tapos, kasi this is meant for solo dining. Tapos walang usap-usap dapat. You just eat your food and then you go.
Mia, we are here. Hi. Mumula si Mama. We are here. Ichiran. First Ichiran experience ni Mia. Mia. Yeah, you can do it, anak. Meron namang nila. Tradition, yan, ganyan. Sa Japan ako, mag-isa lang ako kumain nito. So boring. Now I have Mia. Wow. Ano, mga side. Tingnan mo sa side. Instruction mo sa side.谢谢。
加餐点稍后失礼します。
谢谢。Thank you.
Thank you，失礼いたします。
Ayan o.
加餐点一起稍后。
谢谢。Pwede na kasi hindi man tatanong sa Japan eh. Shushy. Shushy. Okay. Thank you. Yung face mo. Okay guys, this is our food, Mia's food. Ichiran experience in Taipei. Okay, then edemash. Sarap ng sabaw, anak. Yummy. Yummy. Sip mo, sarap, sabaw. Yummy. Sarap. Ipatayo mo na yung stop mo yan. Patayo mo na yung para makita na yung face mo. Hot, very hot. Okay lang yung hotness. It's mild lang eh. Yummy. Yung kumami ah. Pwede mo siya itaas mo. Mild lang eh. Yummy. Ayan, si Mia. Sarap na?
Yeah.
Yummy? Okay. Anong sasabi mo? Kain tayo. Okay, that's it. Okay. O, yan guys. O, diba? Yan ang nandoon. Ayan. Okay. Ayan ang Japanese wording na. Nasarapan si Mia. Dito kami kay Lolo. Ayan ang namin, diba? Ayan, si Lolo yan. Ayan o, ayan o. Because it's ayan. Yes. It's raining.
A few moments later.
Kanina, nag-metro kami. Ngayon, we're riding taxi kasi sobrang maulan. Ayan, yung mall, binigyan kami ng plastic, di ba, Mia? To cover yung mga pinamili niya para hindi mabasa. Helpful naman sila lahat dito. Very helpful. Ayan. Tapos nakakuha rin kami ng tax refund. O, diba? And now, we're going home because Mia is so tired. Look at her. We will take a nap. Then, we will go later. We'll decide where we'll go. No.
2 hours later.
Look. Yan, o, Daddy. Ganyan kalakas ang ulan. Guys, pumunta kami sa pabili naman ni Mr. Kets ni Daddy pero wala kami nakita na abutan kami ng ulan. Well guys, over here, nagbook kami ng Uber pero ni-reject kasi maulan. Then we finally got Uber. Then 1 hour ang biyahe namin, nagkamali yata kami ng click. And then we have to travel back again ng Uber. Wala na, low bat na kami. Kaya ito, hindi makita. May ganito rin sa Vietnam eh.
1 eternity later.
When we finally reach home, syempre pumunta kami sa 7-Eleven. Sabi ko, aliwin muna si Mia. Sabi ko, play this thing kasi baka tomorrow hindi niya na magamit yung coins niya. Marami siyang coins. And then, we're gonna buy our dinner. Grabe guys, we're so pagod. Nakatulog na nga si Mia. Masakit na ang ulo niya. What I meant is, nakatulog siya sa loob ng car. O, diba? Kasi ang tagal ng biyahe namin. Okay. Suksik. Huwag mong galawin. Hindi ka siya? Baka sira. Wait. Eventually, guys, nakakuha rin kami doon sa, ano bang tawag doon sa slot machine na yun? I forgot na tawag doon sa Japanese. Anyway, ito ang food namin. Ito ang food ni Mia na nabili namin sa 7-Eleven. Yan parang bento rice again. And for me, this is like a curry. Ayan. And guess what, guys? Umuulan na. So, freezing cold pa. Kaya ganitong itsura ni Mia. Doble-doble. Good night na everybody. And tomorrow is our last day in Taipei. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new update. Also, follow me in all my social medias and let's be friends. Later!